The following is for entertainment purposes only. We are not financial advisors. We are not responsible for any losses, only the profits. What's happening, Octo Nation? We're going to take a look at that crypto play I've been talking about. I still want to do a little bit more research before I dove in and did the video for everyone. I told some other folks about it, but I let them know that we were diving in to see if it was legit. It's legit, and I got help from the folks on the Patreon for sure. One of them even signed up for this thing because he's in Canada. What we got going on, it's a Canada currently only place to buy digital crypto stuff. But it seems legit, and I think it's got a huge future. Let's take a look at it. For me, the ticker is OTC on the OTC. BBKCF. BBKCF. It's called Bigg Digital Assets. You can see it's run a little bit. It's got 140 million shares. Only a 91 million market cap, though. It's only sitting at 65 cents. You know, those retail optics, no matter what, they're going to compare this to Voyager or any of the other ones. They're going to say, this thing's only 65 cents. Right? That's all they're going to see. This has ran from like 20 cents-ish recently, you know, through the year to 60. That's only a 3x, which is really not that much at all for this space. If you know anything about crypto, most stuff is way, way, way over 10x, 20x. Right? This has only been 3x so far. So I think not that many people know about it. I never even heard about it until someone was bringing it up to me. This is our crypto coach center group, is what we call him, because he's on it about the crypto stuff. So what is it like? You're saying it's a trading platform like Voyager or Kraken or Coinbase, any of those. They have something called netcoins.ca. .ca is Canada, I believe. And it's nice. It's a nice website. You can always go down in the description of the video and take a look at it here. I have the link for you. But it seems just like any of the other awesome apps for buying crypto. Not only that, they're doing like the funding, no fee. Start trading, buy and sell in as little as $10 or up to 10 million with no slippage due to our deep liquidity. And it's one of those instant ones. So I think we're talking faster, less fees than stuff like Coinbase. So that's why stuff like Voyager and Kraken are good, because it gave them something to compete with. They're kind of like the Robin Hood going up for Fidelity. You know, I like this play a lot. They have stuff on there. You want to learn more about crypto? I want to buy and sell right now. What do I do? It's all legit though. It's not just some like creepy, weird company where the website's half broken. Everything works and it's on track. Again, 0% funding fees, free to fund always. Real human beings you can get in touch with easily. They're talking about how they want you to use their live chat. I didn't realize they had live chat until I was putting this thing together, and I was already just over it. I want to get it out. Right? We did call them, contacted that way, and we've done some emailing. And we've gotten pretty good response from emailing, not what I wanted to hear, but someone else was able to pull some information. That's important though. This tells us it's a real business. What coins do they offer? That's a big question for me. They're not like Voyager right now, where Voyager's probably got like 30 or 40 coins. They only have like 7. So I'm sure in the future they're going to be trying to get more. But for now, they got some big ones. They got BTC, Ethereum, Ripple, QCAD, which I believe is Canadian to dollar, and then Bit something, and then Litecoin, and then Tether. Right? So they got some bigger ones, not all the ones I'm in, but I think that's a totally great start. And we asked them, is this more than just these are the questions I wanted them to answer, because I'm supposedly getting a call back, and these are some more questions I currently have. Is this more than just a trading platform? What else y'all got? They always got something else cooking. So is this only in Canada, or do they plan on opening in the United States anytime soon, or the rest of the world? And do you mine or plan on mining? Those are my questions I got. Do you plan on reinvesting profits into crypto? If so, which ones? Got some of this answered actually below. Said that the stock twits is just starting to pick up, and trust me, this is how Voyager, VYGR, one I've been talking about, started. I found Voyager when it was under $1, and look how much it's ran. This is our crypto coach dude talking about that. So if we can get into a Voyager before it's really cool and popular, guess what? That means we're multiplying. They actually responded when you reached out to his emails. He was asking a couple specific questions, but he got a response saying, you can move your cryptocurrencies from our platform to external sources, so that's good. But please know that there is a fixed fee if you want to move it from them to an external source. I can understand that, but they're not charging fees coming in, so that's cool. For adding a business account for funding, please contact us again after finishing their verification process for your account before funding the account. For creating accounts, there is no waiting list and no delays due to the increase in demand. Now, there are a lot of them out there where you can't even get an account right now. So you can, if you're in Canada, you can get an account right now. You can create your account straight away, they said. So here's my problem was yesterday. I was trying to call these people. I couldn't get a hold of them. So why wouldn't they answer my questions? I can't get a hold of them. I was actually emailing them, asking questions, and this person named Riley wouldn't have someone call me. You know, I guess I'm just old school. I like talking to people on the phone. I can't stand just texting back and forth on stuff like this. But she couldn't get anyone to call me back. Maybe I'm just being the grandpa here again, but you know, just to be noted, if you want to try and call them, sometimes they're not available. However, oddly, today they were. So today I called them. Right away, and she picks up. She was actually super nice, decently helpful. You know, didn't get the nitty gritty deep stuff I wanted questions answered, like this stuff way up here. But she said that someone will call me back. I'll keep you updated if they do. So the Discord boots on the ground info that we got here, one of our members, he said, hey, just to let you know, I went ahead and opened an account for everyone with them yesterday. Less than an hour with them, and the funds had settled, and I could transfer my Binance wallet. The setup was super easy, much easier than the others I tried. Boom. Got a testimonial from one of our dudes. He tested out for us. It's legit. And again, it's not hokey either. It's actually good looking stuff. Recent catalysts that have been happening, they're staying up on them. This is also important. Bigg Digital Assets Inc. subsidiary Netcoins announces trading volumes grew 2.4 times over this last month in January 2021, exceeding $81 million in Canadian. It's pretty big numbers for how small this company is per market cap. Monthly revenues hit a new record, growing 2.5x month over month. Monthly activity users has grown 1.75x%. Assets under custody has grown 50%. New verified users more than doubled. Dollars traded per active customer increased 1.4. Trading margins continue to track above 1%. You can read more about it here, but this is all very, very positive stuff. Then, more recently, that press release came out like a week and a half ago. Yeah, about a week and a half ago. This one came out yesterday. Bigg Digital Assets Inc. to reinvest free cash flows from operations into Bitcoin. Well, here's the answer to that question I had for them, right? What does that mean? Just like we're saying, Elon Musk does something everyone's going to follow. They're reinvesting Canadian cash into Bitcoin. This is like a synergy effect. So think about how crazy that is. They're literally, this is a way for them to make the stuff you buy from them worth more. Do you realize how nuts that is? It's kind of crazy if you really think about that. So them buying into Bitcoin with the money they got from you to join is making you even more money. So if you think about it, they're paying you interest on this. All right, they literally just upped your value because they bought Bitcoin with the money they got from people for the past year or whatever. This is huge. This is what Elon Musk said. He's taking Tesla bills, 1.5 billion he is, and put it into Bitcoin. Just like Florida's talking. Cities, states, just wait. It's going to get crazier and crazier. Article today, I don't know if you saw our live performance this morning. Oracle is talking about doing it. Dude. I bet you they try to one-up Elon, and then it becomes a who's the cooler kid, right? What if they did 1.75 billion? You know Elon's then going to try to get 2 billion, which I'm totally cool with, because we all make money together, right? Read more about it here, but dude, this is all fantastic news. This is fantastic news. And by the way, I didn't even mention it. That thing we've been talking about, that's just the son/daughter of an umbrella account, a shell account. We talk about those. So the big daddy is called Bigg G. Bigg G Digital is the daddy, right? The son and the daughter is this thing here called Netcoins. We've only been talking about Netcoins so far, right? That's just the son and daughter. We got the daddy, Bigg Digital. Get this. This is like that SANP ticker that we were buying 1 million shares of. Remember that one? I just bought 1 million shares of this. This one's like that. They got stuff like that. Look at this. Compliance first crypto. We believe the future of crypto is safe, compliant, and regulated in the environment that we are able to provide with our solutions. Their tickers are right there for other places to buy it. Bigg G Digital Assets owns, operates, and invests in crypto businesses that support and enhance and are compliant and regulated ecosystems. So what else do they have on the shelf? They got something called BitRank Verified. What is that? Another way to make money. Compliance regulatory requires management of the risk cryptocurrency transactions. BitRank Verified risk scoring service gives you a reassuring, easy to understand safety ranking of the wallet and or transaction. Boom, another way to make money. Fantastic. How about Clue? Clue? Fighting terrorist financing, money laundering, human trafficking, drug trafficking, weapons traffic, cyber crimes. Clue enables investigators to quickly and visually follow the virtual money behind Bitcoin and Ethereum transactions. More security. So the governments are complaining that the bad guys are going to get it and be able to launder money. Not with Clue. You see, Mr. Government, just make everyone sign up for Clue, and then we make a lot of money too. How about Netcoins? Makes it easier for Canadians to buy, sell, understand cryptocurrency, get fully verified in less than 5 minutes, and trade a wide variety of things. That's the thing we we're talking about before. And then this thing, look at this. Forensic Services Division. Facing security issues that require expert-level forensic investigation efforts, our in-house team of expert investigators deliver hands-on forensic investigation services for you and in your needs to support regulatory compliance and gain maximum insight into nefarious cryptocurrency activities. This is that whole scare tactic, but listen, this is what the governments are doing. The governments are trying to clutch, right? And say, clutch on the fact that these are for bad guys. Only bad guys use crypto, a bunch of hackers. Bunch of drug dealing hackers. Well, they're coming out and like, no, we can even verify it. To our forensics, and they do. They literally have awesome, like, FBI forensic looking people with backgrounds and all that. I looked into it for you. Expert training. Need your team to develop the ability to understand cryptocurrency and successfully investigate suspicious activities. Our flexible on-site and online training options get you up to speed within a fraction of the time it would take to do it on your own. That is huge to me. Online training. So this is just what Michael Saylor was doing. MicroStrategy, right? He came out with a big old seminar, spent tons, millions of dollars, I'm sure, doing that thing, which was fantastic for crypto. But these guys are saying it too. Like, if you got a business, you don't know what you're doing, you want to make sure everything's legit and safe, they will train you for the low fee of whatever it is, which means we make money. Is this thing dead fish or is it an alive fish? I think it's alive. I think it's alive. Check it out. They just posted this. They are hiring an account executive, which is huge. Blockchain Intelligence Group, subsidiary of the public company Bigg G Digital Assets, is headquartered in Vancouver, British Columbia. We hold customers, blah, 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 blah. What do you need to do to respond? They're hiring, all right? If they're hiring an account executive, that's a big position to fill, AKA not a cheap one. These people got some cash, right? I love it. One of these FBI investigator dudes, here's a whole video he did explaining blockchain for businesses and stuff you got to do and how to be safe. And his name is Lance Morgan. Dude's smart. If you want to come watch it, go for it. This is the co-founder and president of Bigg right here. Dude's super smart. Come watch this. Now, I of course pushed in before I did basically any of this due diligence. But by the time I was done, I was like, that question, a serious question I ask you guys. Are you 85% sure that this stock will multiply your money? That's the question I'm asking myself. Am I 85% sure that this thing will probably multiply? On this one, I can say easily. Not only that, I ain't scared of this one either. This isn't you know, something I'm gonna lose sleep over. You can see videos of the owners, they're SEC filing, they're hiring, yada yada. I mean, come do some of the investigative work yourself. You do more due diligence. Let us know. Are we missing anything or what? But this seems totally legit. People tried out the app. It works. They already bought crypto with it. I don't see how this doesn't have a bigger future. Only sitting at 140 million shares, 91 million market cap, with the amount of cash and stuff they're talking about that they were doing last month alone. Right? Back over here. And the growth. They did 81 million last month. But then they got a market cap of only 91 on paper. Not to get too grandpa on you, but this is, by my calculations, could be very undervalued. So if you can combine a growth with grandpa numbers, dude, it's a unicorn. How's it not? This is a smaller Voyager, Coinbase, whatever. Yeah, I'm getting into this. Are you going to jump in? Did you already jump in? You're already in the Discord and you already saw this and you already jumped in with us? Let's fly. Let's surf. Are you too late? I don't think so whatsoever. If you're a true Bitcoin bull, if you think Bitcoin and stuff is still going to go up, which you should, can you think of a reason why this wouldn't keep going up? I can't. And not only that, like he was saying, our crypto coach, he said it's barely making the splash on StockTwits and stuff yet, right? Yet. Which means it's not cool yet. It's not cool enough yet. It will be. Thanks for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind liking this thing, commenting down below, you know it helps with the algorithm. That's the only reason I'm asking. I just want other people to get more exposure and be able to multiply. If you don't believe me, ask any of the other subscribers about multiplying. They'll tell you. All right. We'll see you out there tomorrow. I'm hoping we get some awesome LOIs from some SPACs. It was so busy in the last 24 hours. I think I only got to sleep like 45 minutes at a time before something else was popping off, and I was doing research, trying to write something up to help people out. And dude, it's just awesome. I love it. This is so exciting and fun. Are y'all having fun while you're doing this? I hope so. Don't forget to protect yourself though. We still could definitely dip a little bit in this SPY. Keep pointing this out. People keep asking me, what's going on with the market? Did you see the news? The news doesn't matter, people. This matters. This is the SPY. Wrap this up in a burrito, put a green on top and a red on the bottom. When it gets close to the green, protect yourself or sell. When it goes down to the red, buy. Okay? The news is what Wall Street puts out as excuses to make this come down. Don't forget that. We'll see y'all out there tomorrow. Have a great night. Did you know that we give away free silver? Simply leave a comment on the video, and as long as you're in the continental United States, you can be automatically entered to win. Please friend us on Twitter and StockTwits.